So we have the AMG GTS Brabus, 600 horsepower. And we have GTS, CEO Mercedes-AMG. With Brother Bushman just walked by. Nice. And the entourage of hundreds of people. We need to check that out. GTS checking out the Continental. And the Maybach 900. Gorgeous. Gorgeous car. We have the super luxury comfort of a Maybach, and you have 900 horsepower. What movie is that? I want to check that out. Leather everywhere. Of course, Brabus improved upon Maybach, already super exclusive interior. Sporty, yet super luxurious. Really like the sporty wheels of this Maybach. And with 900 horsepower, it's really fast performance. So it's basically the rocket engine, I believe. Should be V12. Rocket powered. Rocket powered S-Class. And of course you have maximum comfort for the driver as well. Speed limiter or speedometer to 400. Brabus. Gorgeous. So sporty but still so elegant.